What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're going to talk about Green Thumb Industries. So this is actually a cannabis stock that is traded on the OTC. So this stock is actually not available on popular trading apps like Robinhood, but you can buy it in other brokers like Webull, Fidelity, Vanguard, or TD Ameritrade. So one of the reasons I'm covering this stock is because a lot of you guys showed a lot of interest in Aurora Cannabis, and I want to give you kind of some alternative cannabis plays that I've been looking at personally, and this company just had an excellent earnings report. So I want to quickly go over that right now. Guys, get right into the meat of the video. So as you take a look right here, you can find this information on their website. The website is gtigrows.com. And we're looking here at Green Thumb Industries reports first quarter revenue of $102.6 million and adjusted operating EBITDA of 25 million, guys. So a lot of you guys perhaps aren't familiar with this company. A quick background on it. It generally does most of its business in 12 states in the United States. And it's kind of one of the better, I think, long-term plays if you're looking to profit from kind of the long-term federal legalization of cannabis sales in the United States. So if we quickly go over the numbers, we see total revenue increased 35% quarter over quarter and 268% year over year. Operating EBITDA increased 85%. Successfully launched adult use sales in Illinois, and robust consumer demand continues across all operating markets, and a strong balance sheet, guys. So let's just quickly read a couple quotes from the CEO, Ben Kovler. It says, our business model continues to prove out, and we delivered outstanding first quarter results. We achieved a major milestone by breaking 100 million in quarterly revenue, along with substantial EBITDA growth. These factors help contribute to our positive free cash flow from operations. We believe that our operational strength and resilience, supported by a strong balance sheet, continue to differentiate and position us for long-term success. So guys, really nice company here. And so let's just quickly go through these numbers. Like I said, the revenue was over $100 million, up 267% year over year. So if we take a look at this stock chart, we can see that the stock has been up a ton since earnings. So as we look here, ever since the stock reported earnings, the stock has shot up to around $9. So if we take a look at the 1 year chart here, we can see that the stock was basically all the way down to around $4 during the whole coronavirus pandemic sell-off, and now it's basically about to refill that cup, guys. So there's still a lot of opportunity, I think, to get into the stock if you're interested. So let's go a little bit more in depth into those numbers, and I'm going to show you guys some of the products and things like that. So as we take a look at their balance sheet, very nice balance sheet, holding about 140 million in cash with only 92 million in debt. So the company has plenty of money to get through this pandemic. And as you can see here, they've seen a huge boost in revenue. So let's go through some of their actual products. So it says as of March 31st, Green Thumb's family of consumer brands are produced, distributed, and available in retail locations in 9 states: California, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Nevada, and Pennsylvania, guys. So they also have they sell their products in over 700 retail stores as Rise, including the company's Rise and Essence products, guys. So let me show you guys some of those products that I was just talking about. So you can find this information on their site. So here you go. This is one of their product lines. They call it Rhythm. And then they have another one, which is pre-rolls called Dog Walkers. They have some consumables and some edibles. They have some other products as well, like lotions and things like that, and some CBD products that are kind of good for your face and skincare and stuff like that. And then finally, some other kind of lifestyle products. So this is a really interesting company, and they're doing revenue in 9 states, I believe. I think I said 12 earlier. It's actually 9, selling in 9 different states. And I think there's a lot of opportunity for this company. As you guys can take a look at some of the more results. It says that in Maryland, the Green Thumb launched soft lozenges under the Field Collection brand. So they're selling edibles and things like that. And then they're also doing some joint ventures. As you can see, in Florida, the company launched a capsule product extension of the Dr. Solomon's brand. So as we look into a little bit more in their retail business, it says Green Thumb's first quarter revenue from sales in 42 stores across 10 states. And comparable sales growth exceeded 75%. So guys, this stuff is flying off the shelf. And we know that, they're only doing business in around 9 to 10 states. So that still leaves about 80% of the United States available for kind of producing money. Once, we're going to see U.S. legalization, and we're definitely going to see it, guys. I think with the whole coronavirus pandemic, I think governments will be pressed to generate as much tax revenue as possible, seeing that a lot of people aren't going to be working, and I expect, during a recession, tax revenue will definitely be down because people are just earning less money. So as you can see here, actually, yes, they do. It says generate revenue from all 12 of its markets. They do actually operate in 12 states. I correct myself on that. California, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. So the gross margins are pretty strong as well. And like I said, guys, I think this is just an interesting company. So why? So let's just quickly take a look at some of those actual numbers here. So as you can see here, this is the growth of the top line revenue, as you can see here, and then the company, they did pretty well, I would say. Okay, guys, so the company has improved quite a bit since the last quarter, and generally, I think this is a decent company. So they've improved their net loss per share improved quite substantially, and I think this company is doing a lot of very good things. So I haven't talked too much about OTC stocks in general because I feel like they're a bit more risky since the SEC has different filing requirements for companies that aren't listed on like the NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange. But this company definitely has promise, and I've seen a lot of their products, and I like what I see. But there are some risks when you're owning OTC stocks. You don't really expect them to be as trading as strong as stocks that are on the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange because hedge funds and institutional investors and things like that, when they're investing their clients' money, they're really going to gravitate towards those stocks traded on major stock exchange. So remember, guys, this is an OTC stock, so you cannot purchase this stock on Robinhood and platforms like that. So where do I think that this company is going in the future? Well, 260% plus revenue growth year over year is excellent. And anytime you're generating about $100 million a quarter, I think that is a lot to look forward to. So I would say there is some risk here, guys. It's an OTC company. It's relatively unknown. I knew about it in the past, but I haven't really taken a look at it. But after I saw this kind of earnings report, I was very interested in it. So what would my take be here? Well, guys, if you wanted to kind of diversify yourselves in terms of cannabis stocks, this is probably a third stock that I'm going to be adding to my portfolio. So right now I'm sitting at two cannabis stocks. My favorites are Aurora Cannabis and Canopy Growth. And I'm really thinking of adding a smallish position on the market open next week. I really like this company. I think I like the dog walkers product. I think pre-rolls is an excellent product, and I like the CBD products as well. I mean, I haven't personally tried these products, but I've been going through their website. I'm going to post a link to the site in the description. You guys check it out. I think there's a lot of promise here. This is a really interesting company. So for my price target, well, the thing what I've been doing with this company is I've basically been just taking a look at its past stock price, and at one point the stock was all the way up to $20, and it seems like it's been recovering pretty strong along with other stocks, but there's definitely some strong resistance at around $10 to $11 or so. So for me, I think I'll be adding a small position. I really want to, when it comes to cannabis stocks, I really want to kind of pick the companies that are doing good revenue because consumers are pretty loyal when it comes to things like cannabis, and whether it's for recreational use or medicinal use or CBD products, I think once people find a product they like, they're going to continue to purchase it month after month, year after year. So this explosive revenue growth is just kind of a testament to what the company's been doing, and I think a lot of positive things lie ahead. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and please smash that red subscribe button for more videos on cannabis stocks that you can buy to make a lot of money. So until next time, guys, take care.